Hey y'all, it's Yolova and I'm back and I'm better like never before. And today's video is a wig install. I did this curly brown fall November like wig. It's definitely giving a November vibe. Yeah, I put some wand curls in this hair and I'm loving it, honestly. It turned out better than I even freaking expected. This wig is from Yolova's hair. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The wig came in this dust bag and it came with some wig caps, some black tweezers. These are my fave type of tweezers and I lost my pair, so shout out to y'all for that. And then a little cute pair of eyelashes and eyelash glue. I never seen this before, but it's cute. You know, anything complimentary makes your girl happy. I currently have on extensions, so I won't be wearing it, but you know, it's the thought that counts. So if you all want to see how I got this hair, then make sure y'all keep on watching. Period.
Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, baby? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking, tryna block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42 cause you, hey, you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, texting me and say I need to see you. I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, well, girls want girls where
So y'all, while I smooth my glue, I'm gonna tell y'all about the specs about this wig. This wig is from Yolova hair. I have it in the length 26 inches and it's 180% density. I'll have the link in the description box, and you can also use my discount code PTaylor. So it's P with my first name. I'm guessing Pretty. I'm guessing I mean Pretty Taylor. But the real spelling of my first name, I'm going to have that down below in the description box below. And I also have the Yolova's link. Let me see the name of this wig. It is the Body Wave 13x4 lace wig, 180% density, and highlight brown human hair. I did go ahead and tone this hair because when I first received it, it was like a little too brassy for my liking. I do not like brassy hair. So I toned it down with some purple shampoo. When I bleached the knots, I kind of co-washed it with, well, not even co-washed it, I shampooed it with the purple shampoo to get rid of some of that brassiness. I'll insert a few clips of how the hair looks before and when I washed it, but yeah, so far so good. This hair is soft. It remained a little curly. I let it air dry, but I just brushed it out when I was plucking it, as you've seen the pluck. But yeah, I definitely think this hair is 26 inches. It could be fuller. That's what I can say. I noticed that it could definitely be more full for my liking, but I'm so used to bundles. So, you know, I probably have way more than 180% density because you can control how much hair you add in a wig if you're creating a wig. It's pretty straightforward. Thank you to Yolova's hair for sending me this wig. I'm loving it so far. I feel like it's the perfect fall wig, really. Browns are in for fall. Like, if you don't have brown hair this fall, what are you doing? I really want some one tone brown hair before the fall season is over. When I tried this wig on, it was the perfect fit. It fits nice and snug, which I'm totally not used to because like I said, I make my wigs. So that was a good feeling to have. putting a wig on, and you know, it's just fitting nice and snug like a hat. Totally into it.
Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
My girl got a girlfriend. Ain't tryna be out of shape. What's ill on them curls? Then them gym don't work, get surgery. I'll pay for that, my courtesy. Can't imagine no bitch curving me. I put in that work overly. I handle business. And I got two pretty bitches. Keep them both on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all the owners. They love me. So they gon' let us in and bring all of your peers to look better with more people. We got 1942 Casamigos. It's being heated. They gotta follow us in the Uber. My car filled up with.
Now this wig, I believe it's 2 inches on the sides. From ear to ear is not the 4 inches. It was only 4 inches from here to here. That's a good note to have when you're buying a wig, to keep in mind, because some people like to do deep side parts, and you can't really get the deep side part if you don't have the full-blown frontal. It can be achieved. I've done it. It's just way more difficult to achieve if you don't have that. So that's just something to keep in mind. I just thought I'd throw that in there and let y'all know.
Lights, camera, action when you with us, it's a movie. I don't try my cool to house parties, I'm trying to leave with 2 Don't nobody know the shit that we do. She like eating pussy, I'm like me too. I can't wait to get out work, so go and see you. Please bring your girlfriend along with you. Y'all been on my mind too much, like what the fuck is wrong with me? She said it's something about the way a girl just makes her feel. Whatever you been dreaming about, I swear to make it real. Just run around the town with me, then come lay down with me.
I might come, I might go, I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where, girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls where, hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from.
Still sure, I'm sure I'm still not done because the hairline is so thick. But this is the hair so far, so I put some heat protector on it. Spray the top to get it nice and flat. All these flyaways driving me crazy. And then I'm gonna curl this hair. While my wand is heating up, I'm just gonna pin the hair out of the way. Pin the hair out the way, and I'm gonna do my baby hairs. I don't know why it's casting that gray look again. My camera honestly be killing me, but I think I'm gonna go for some dramatic baby hairs today.
Asking me about settling down, 'cause you know that things are going my way.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
So then I have these flatties, little flatties from the Beauty Supply. They were just kept in like a little box for sale, and they get really hot. Like I'm burning my hand. I'm honestly burning my hand using these. So I'm gonna flip the hair.
I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one really is a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I freak up, I'm about to pop up on your phone like I'm outside in an AMG.
Then I'm gonna take my all-time fave Ebon edge control, and I'm gonna slick my edges. If you don't know how to do edges, doing this curl method definitely makes it easier. And I like doing it because then I don't have to fight with the baby hair as much.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Take some of Boho's liquid gold. I like using some of this just because it'll reinforce my baby hair. They will not move. So this is not a curling tutorial. I just curled my hair the other day. This is not a curling tutorial, so I'm going to curl my hair and come back and show you all the final look. Now I'm going to do a couple finishing touches, which is my part. I'm going to take my Tarte concealer in 47S to carve out my part. Put some
Outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn.
First impression for this wig was definitely that this is a 13 by 6. They said 13 by 4, but it's giving me 13 by 6, honey. Flatten this because once I spray, pick it up a little bit. Once I spray my black spray, I definitely don't want to have to touch it no more. And I use this tail that's on this edge comb. I have no clue where I got it from, but this thickness is perfect compared to a regular rat tail. This is thicker. I like to use that for my part instead of the regular rat tail comb. It pretty much keeps this size. It just cleans up the part. So like that. Now I'm just really going to loosen out these wand curls that I did. And we're going to... Did I forget a part? I'm going to loosen out these wand curls and then show y'all the finished look. I really couldn't see this look straight. Like, I only seen it curly in my head. I couldn't picture it no other way. So if y'all think about getting this wig, make sure y'all definitely let me know in the comments below. And let me know your experience. If you end up liking the wig, just everything regarding you purchasing. Let me know if you do. Make sure y'all don't forget to use the discount code that was provided for my people. So yeah, let's see. She's definitely giving fall. Yeah. I do have a wide tooth comb to mix that. To work out these ones. But I kind of want to leave it a little tight. So this is actually enough. So yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, if y'all like this wig, let me know everything down in the comment section below. Y'all already know, per usual, I'm responding to every comment, so make sure y'all leave them. Give me a like, share, a subscribe, you know, all that good. We on the road still slowly to 4K, but it's okay, because we gonna get there. I definitely want to say thank you to Yolova Hair for sending me this wig, this bomb brown wig. I definitely was in the mood for some highlights, and they got your girl right. Let me know in the comment section below. Like I said, if y'all get this wig, don't forget to use the discount code. I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Bye.